For today's tip and tricks, I'm going to show you how I took the little icon that I have in my logo and used it as a decorative area on my heading. Make sure that your marquee is selected and go ahead and highlight the area that you want to copy. Okay, the little prancing ants or little lines are around the image that I want. Go ahead and hit edit and copy the image and go to file and create a new file. Now on the next one, it's going to be basically the same size of the image, 66 by 62, and transparent is the option that you want selected there. Go ahead and create it. I'll bring it up a little bit so you can see the little checkerboard is there, and go ahead and paste it in there, and now I have the little icon. I can use this on my headings, and you can use it in any area that you want to just use your logo without the words. Okay, so this was the original logo, and then I just used the icon of the house. Now once you have created your icon, you want to save it, and you have two options. Now the way you're going to save it, to have a clear background like you see here, you're going to need to save it as a PNG format. Okay, so let's go here to save as, or you can export it. So let's choose export, which will let you do a quick option here, quick export. And we'll save our images, and I'll name it as icon. Hit save. Okay, there's another option that you can do as a JPEG, and a JPEG will give you a white background around here. So if you're going to use a newsletter that has a white background, you can use white on it. So for that one, let's go here on export, same area, go to save for web, and choose JPEG. Okay, it's going to take about a second to upload that, so it won't take too long. Go ahead and hit save, and we'll go ahead and label that one. And this time it has the extension JPG, which is JPEG. Okay, so go ahead and hit save, and now it'll be ready to upload into your Mailchimp account on the content section. I would like to point something out though that occurred to me. My image or my logo has these checkerboards in the back because it's a PNG format, which means that it has a plain background. Now a JPEG usually has a white background unless you have another color saved on your logo. When you copy it, you won't have the plain background. Okay, so let's say I copy this one, and copy, go to the new one, a new file, and this still has a transparent background, but when I paste it in there, it's going to show up as a white background, and which that is fine as well too. So I just wanted to give you that little update as well, because there are differences in the way you receive your logo. You can have a PNG format, or you can have a JPEG format. Okay, so hope that helps you out.